You're grinding your teeth at night, but do you know why? And here's the surprising part. Stress isn't always the whole story. Yes, stress and anxiety can contribute to teeth grinding, but there are other possible contributors that many people overlook. For some people, sleep-related factors may play a role, especially disrupted or poor quality sleep. And here's one you might not expect. Certain medications can also be associated with bruxism. Some antidepressants, such as sertraline, fluoxetine, or venlafaxine, have been reported in association with bruxism. So if you're grinding your teeth every night, should you simply blame stress? Not necessarily. Sometimes there may be multiple contributing factors, and sometimes there isn't one obvious cause. That's why finding the why matters. But here's the good news. In my next video, I'll explain what you can actually do about nighttime teeth grinding and when you may need treatment.